Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Anthurium is a plant loved by many, thanks to its glossy green leaves, vibrant flowers, and symbolic meaning of luck and prosperity. However, not everyone knows how to keep the plant healthy and blooming regularly. In today's video, I will share a simple home care method for Anthurium, helping the plant grow steadily, develop thick green leaves, and stimulate more beautiful, longer-lasting blooms, all with familiar ingredients from the kitchen. If you want your Anthurium pot to always stay fresh and stand out, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any plant growing tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started right away. Do you have rice at home? Rice is not only a familiar food in every meal, but it is also very good for Anthurium. Rice contains starch, B vitamins, and many natural minerals, helping provide a gentle source of nutrition, nourish strong roots, stimulate new root growth, and support greener, thicker, and glossier leaves. Prepare 1 clean glass cup. Next, add 3 tablespoons of rice into that clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is onion. Onion contains sulfur compounds, vitamins, and natural minerals, helping with antibacterial effects and limiting fungal diseases. Here, I peel the onion into 2 parts, the flesh and the peel. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. You can see that the onion flesh is rotten and cannot be cooked into food. I will use it in the next video. As for the onion peel, don't rush to throw it into the trash. You can absolutely make use of it to make fertilizer for plants. Onion peel contains natural antibacterial compounds, along with some vitamins and minerals, helping limit harmful fungi and bacteria. Use a pair of scissors, then cut the onion peel into small slices as shown in the video. Cutting it small not only helps increase the contact area, but also helps the nutrients and natural compounds in the onion peel be released faster and more evenly when soaked or prepared. After that, add 500 milliliters of hot water to steep the solution. Finally, cover it and steep the solution for 1 hour. While waiting, I will trim the withered, yellow, or damaged Anthurium leaves. This helps remove the weakened parts, limit the spread of fungi and bacteria, and at the same time helps the plant save nutrients, focus on nourishing healthy leaves, and stimulate stronger new leaf growth. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After that, rinse the plant with clean water. This helps wash away dust, residue, and impurities still clinging to the roots and growing medium, while also cleaning the plant surface after trimming. As a result, the plant becomes more airy, limits the growth of fungi and bacteria, and creates conditions for better nutrient absorption in the next steps. After 1 hour, I strain out the residue with a sieve. This helps remove the coarse sediment, keeping only the pure solution, thereby avoiding clogging when watering or spraying. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. So now, we have the fertilizer solution ready to feed the plant. Method 1. Pour the diluted onion solution, combined with rice water, into a clean glass cup. Then, use a soft cloth or clean cotton to soak the solution and gently wipe each leaf surface of the Anthurium. Wiping the leaves regularly helps remove accumulated dust, keeping the leaf surface clean and airy, thereby helping the plant photosynthesize more effectively. The combination of onion and rice brings many benefits. Onion helps with antibacterial effects, limits fungal diseases, and increases the plant's resistance. Rice water provides starch and B vitamins, helping nourish greener, thicker, and glossier leaves. When doing this, you should wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves for the best effect. It can be maintained 1 to 2 times per week to help the plant always stay green and grow steadily. Method 2. Pour the diluted onion solution combined with rice water into a mist spray bottle. Then spray lightly and evenly over the entire Anthurium plant, including the leaves, stem, and root area. This solution is effective thanks to the combination of 2 ingredients. Onion helps with antibacterial effects, limits fungi, and increases the plant's resistance. Rice water provides starch and B vitamins, helping nourish the leaves and support healthier plant growth. When spraying, you should spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves evenly to clean away dust, help the leaves stay airy, and improve photosynthesis efficiency. Besides Anthurium, I also apply this method to the Zamioculcas plant, because this is a plant with thick, glossy leaves that easily collect dust over time. Spraying the onion solution combined with rice water helps keep the leaves clean, dark green, and glossy, thereby helping the plant photosynthesize better and grow steadily. At the same time, the natural nutrients also help the leaves become thicker, limiting dullness or weakness. When maintained regularly, you will see the plant become noticeably fresher, the leaves firmer, well-shaped, and the overall plant healthier over time. Method 3. For the remaining solution, I will pour it into a glass cup. Next, use a spoon to water gently around each base of the Anthurium. You should water about 5 to 10 spoonfuls for each plant, depending on the pot size. This watering method helps the solution soak gradually into the root zone, avoids overwatering that may cause waterlogging, and at the same time helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. The combination of onion and rice water brings many benefits. Onion helps with antibacterial effects, limits fungi, and increases the plant's resistance. Rice water provides starch and B vitamins, helping nourish strong roots and stimulate new root growth. When applied regularly, the root system will develop strongly and attach firmly to the growing medium, thereby helping the plant grow steadily, produce thick green leaves, and support better blooming. Besides Anthurium, I also water aloe vera with it. Do you have aloe vera at home? Using the onion solution combined with rice water to water aloe vera will help increase resistance, limit harmful fungi and bacteria, and at the same time support the plant in recovering quickly and growing healthier. In addition, the nutrients from rice water also help aloe vera leaves become thicker, juicier, and greener, helping the plant grow steadily and maintain its fresh appearance for a long time. Results: after about 2 months of persistent application, you will see very clear and positive changes in the plant. For Anthurium, leaves become noticeably darker green, thicker, and glossier. The leaf surface is clean, collects less dust, and no longer looks dull or weak. The new young leaves grow firm even and healthy, helping the plant photosynthesize better. Roots develop strongly with many new plump white roots appearing, healthy green root tips, and firm attachment to the growing medium. As a result, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more effectively, creating a foundation for long-term growth. Flowers. The plant begins to bloom more evenly. The flower stalks are strong, the color is fresh, and the flowering time is extended. The flowers bloom more beautifully and last longer, helping the pot always stand out. For other plants such as Zamioculca's plant, aloe vera, peace lily, the results are also very promising. The plants become noticeably greener, the leaves thicker, glossier, and keep their color longer. The root system is improved, helping the plants grow steadily and become less weakened. The leaves hold a beautiful shape, with less yellowing or wilting. Overall, the plants become healthier, have fewer pests and diseases, and are full of vitality. What do you think about this plant care method using onion? Have you tried applying it to your plants yet? Please share your experience in the comments. This is a result worthy of persistence and proper care. When nourished appropriately, the plant will develop sustainably and bring long-lasting natural beauty. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss simple but effective planting tips. See you again in the next videos.